All right, great to see you again. John Castillo here. You know who all I am and where I'm from Moran Family of Brands. We're gonna do some more good videos here. And we're also gonna throw this in for Car Care Wednesday. New thing we got going. Find us on YouTube. All right, we're gonna do a inspection of a tire, put some air in it, show you how to maintain them air pressures, save you gas, money, and everything else in there. So don't go away, we'll be right back. All right, today we're going to discuss some tire inflation procedures and stuff like that, safety aspects, all the reasons you should keep an eye on your tire pressures at least monthly, once a week, or if you think they might even be low. So there are several types of inflators and gauges and things like that. So we're going to cover a couple here that are most common. First one here is your standard air gauge. You can get at any local auto store and stuff like that. The next one would be a bigger, basically you'd use this for trucks and things like that. You can even use it at your home if you're so inclined to do so. And then your standard air chuck that will fit into an airline to put air in the tire. The advantages of maintaining good pressures in your tires: one, safety aspect, obviously; two, improved tire wear; and then three, gas mileage. Biggest and most important thing. So if you have your tires that are required amount of air in them, you're going to improve your tire life, you're going to be safe when you're driving, and you're going to save a few dollars at the pump. So in just a moment, I have a vehicle here with a low tire. We'll go over that. I'll explain to you where you find your tire pressure specs. All tires are marked with them. There's a minimum and a maximum. And we'll go over that in just a moment. All right, we're going to put some air in this low tire here. So first thing we're going to do, most tires have pressure specifications on them, so you'll have to look right next to the rim on the sidewall. It'll give you a cold pressure load, stuff like that. And this one here is right here at 30, shows it being 35 psi. The second place you can find is on your door where the VIN number is. Usually they have either a tire label or within that VIN number, white tag, it'll give you tire size and air specifications. So there's two places you can find this. One on the tire from the manufacturer of the tire, and then the vehicle manufacturer usually has that on a placard, as they call it, within the driver's door jamb. So now we'll go ahead, pull the cap off. And this is an air chuck. Most service stations, their air nozzles already have them on there. So basically all you'll need, again, is your standard air gauge. So being that this thing is really low, we're going to go ahead and put some air in it first. And then we'll check it. Okay, after you get some in there, go ahead and stick your gauge on there. Looks like we're close. Couple more pounds. Well, in fact, let's throw a little extra in there. Okay. So I can show you how to get some of it out. And we're right at 40, so I went a bit too much. On the very end of this is a thing that you can use, and you just push it in there and let it out a little at a time. And look at that, we're right at 35 psi. All right. Always put your cap back on to keep the rust, corrosion, moisture out of there. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. Periodically check your pressures, make sure they're up to money. You'll save gas, you'll be a lot safer, and you'll save tire wear. So that's all there is to it. All right, that was great. I had a good time. I hope you did. I hope you learned something. I obviously refreshed on that one. Then again, I don't ever check my tires. I'm a lazy kind of guy. So, and y'all know about most of the weather we've been having here lately. I'm getting the hell out of Dodge. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna find me some sun somewhere. I'm thinking maybe the Cayman Islands, somewhere warm, Fiji. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. But I'm going. Hawaii, that's not a bad idea. Thanks for tuning in to Car Care Wednesday, and we'll see you again on the next episode. Thank you very much.